Hello friend, welcome to my channel. I'm your host MA Joya and you are watching my channel Joy Tech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can ask a question on your TikTok account. So if you don't know how to get this on your TikTok account, then watch this full video till then end, and after that you will all know how to get it. So let's start the topic. First of all, open your TikTok account. Now tap at your profile. Now tap at three horizontal lines. Now tap at Creator Tools. Appears on screen. You can see an option Q and answer. It means question and answer. Just tap on it. Now appears on screen. These are the suggestions. You can also make a video to answer these questions. But if you want to make your own question, just tap at ask a question. Now tap your question and just post it. Like this, you can easily ask a question on your TikTok account, and if you want to answer it, just tap at the answer and record your video. Like this, you can easily make the video of your question or answer at your TikTok account. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and definitely subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.